People have been thinking about skin color since ancient times. Many people want a fair skin. Due to sunburn, getting wet in the rain, physical illness, working in the kitchen for a long time, etc., the skin loses its natural radiance due to various reasons. Today we will show you how to whiten your skin in a natural way. Fast. Take 2 tablespoons gram flour in a bowl. Gram flour packs work wonders in absorbing the excess oil and cleansing your skin as well. Gram flour has alkalizing properties that keep the pH levels of your skin balanced. It is also very absorbent and soaks up all the extra oil. Add 2 tablespoons tomato puree. Due to their astringent properties, tomatoes help reduce excess sebum on the skin's surface, preventing oil buildup, which further reduces the chances of blackheads and whiteheads. Since they have pore shrinking properties and help tighten the skin, chances of acne and pimples are also greatly reduced. Add 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder. Sandalwood is rich in antioxidants that prevent skin sagging and the consequent formation of wrinkles. It is also capable of fighting the damage caused by the presence of free radicals in the skin. Ayurveda reveres it for its anti-aging properties that can make skin firmer, while also reversing sun damage. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt. Yogurt, whether the Greek or regular kind, also contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. It also has exfoliating properties that transform your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and softer. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the skin and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with water. Now you can see my skin is so much fair, glowing and bright. To get best result, apply this regularly. Fast. Take 2 tablespoons potato juice in a bowl. Potato has a high iron content which promotes a healthy and radiant complexion. Potato contains azelaic acid, which acts as a natural skin brightening agent. Hence, eating potatoes speeds up the fading of scars, blemishes, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. Astringent qualities. Due to its high pH levels, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons gram flour. Mix well. Now apply this face pack to your face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, gently scrub your skin and wash with normal water. To get the best result, apply this face pack 3 to 4 times a week. We all want to make our skin beautiful, but for various reasons our skin becomes black. Today we will show you how to make a gold face pack, which is great for making your skin beautiful. Fast, take 1 tablespoon yogurt in a bowl. Add half TBSP turmeric powder. You may want to try a turmeric face mask to help reduce acne and any resulting scars. The anti-inflammatory qualities can target your pores and calm the skin. Turmeric is also known to reduce scarring. This combination of uses may help your face clear up from acne breakouts. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Coconut oil helps bolster your skin's protective barrier layer, trapping moisture inside and keeping skin supple and hydrated. Reduces inflammation. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for irritated, chafed skin. Increases collagen production. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey helps your body's healing process, which may help fade acne scars. You can use honey as a spot treatment on scars, applying it every day or every other day as a paste at the site of your scarring. You may also see results if you use honey face masks as a part of your beauty routine, as described above. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with water. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. According to dermatologists, acne, rashes, etc. are caused due to various reasons. This problem occurs when the gland gets stuck in the mouth due to dirt, sweat, and pollution. First the rash, then acne. In the end it takes on a bigger size. There is also pain. Many people then get scars on their face. There are other reasons as well. First, take 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. It contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins A and C, and it is highly anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne and dry skin. Cheng added that when it comes to acne, aloe vera works best on superficial surface acne rather than cystic or deeper acne. Add 1 tablespoon rose water. Rosewater has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years, so it's no surprise that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. Mix well. Apply this mixture on your dark spot before going to bed and gently massage your skin. Next morning, wash your face with normal water to get best results. Apply it regularly.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.